Are you trying to choose between Quicken Classic and Quicken Simplify? You're not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for their money management needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular tools to help you decide which one suits you best. Both Quicken Classic and Quicken Simplify help you track your finances, but they do it in different ways. Quicken Classic is the traditional version. It offers detailed features for budgeting, tracking investments, and managing bills. You can dive deep into your finances with reports and graphs. It's great for those who want full control over their financial data. On the other hand, Quick and Simplify is more modern and user friendly. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use. You can quickly see your spending habits and set up budgets with just a few clicks. It's perfect for someone who wants to manage their money without getting overwhelmed. Now, let's talk about the key differences. Quick and Classic is more comprehensive with its features, while Simplify is designed for quick access and straightforward navigation. If you prefer detailed analysis, Classic is the way to go. But if you want a simple overview, Simplify is better. When it comes to features, Classic includes advanced reporting and investment tracking. Simplify offers an easy to read dashboard and smart budgeting tools. Both have mobile apps, but Simplify's app is more intuitive. Pricing varies too. Quick and Classic usually costs more due to its extensive features. Simplify is often cheaper, making it a good choice for budget conscious users. In the end, if you need detailed financial management, Quick and Classic is your best bet. But if you want something simple and quick, go for Quick and Simplify. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights.